Singing in the rain, what a glorious feel, and I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds.
Oh, sorry guys. Oh, hello. How are you today? Okay, so today you're gonna learn 10 useful phrases to say when it's raining. Okay, so are you ready to start the video? Okay guys, let's dive in. Okay, number one, it's spitting. It's spitting. Spitting is very light rain, rain that you can barely feel. Okay. Number two, it's drizzling. It's drizzling. Drizzling is more than spitting, less than raining. Okay, it's drizzling. Number three, it's been raining on and off all day. It's been raining on and off all day. On and off means starting and stopping, then starting again over a period of time. Okay. Number four, we got caught in a downpour. A downpour is a sudden, unexpected heavy rain or a lot of rain in a short period of time. Oh my God! Oh! Number five, it's bucketing down. It's bucketing down. It's a way to describe heavy rain. Okay, so you can use this expression when you're in England. Okay. Number six, it's tipping down. It's tipping down. Another way to describe heavy rain in England. Okay, it's tipping down. Number seven, and you know this expression because it's an old expression. It was used in England. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. Okay, this expression has many theories, and the most believable, to be honest, is that in old England, dogs and cats used to sleep on the roofs of thatch houses, sliding off them when it started to rain. Poor babies. Okay, number eight, sun shower. Sun shower. Okay, it's one of the most annoying kind of rain showers. One of those where it's sunny and quite warm, but somehow actually raining. Coat or no coat? That's the question. Number nine, it's raining sideways. It's raining sideways. Okay, this expression is used when the wind is so strong that the heavy rain ends up falling horizontally instead of vertically. Okay. And the last expression for today, deluge. Deluge. A deluge describes the carnage caused by the rain, tending to result in a severe flood. Okay. So that's it for today, folks. I hope this video was interesting. Donc, n'oubliez pas, vous prenez votre petit cahier, vous notez toutes ces expressions, vous les apprenez, vous les révisez. Votre discours sera donc plus authentique quand vous partirez dans les pays anglo-saxons. So have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye, and see you next Friday.